Hey everyone, and welcome to your fitness journey. Today, we're talking about one of the most common areas where beginners make mistakes, the shoulders. Have you ever jumped into a shoulder workout, full of enthusiasm, only to feel a nagging twinge or stiffness the next day? You're not alone. Many people go too heavy, too fast, and end up sidelined before they even get started. Let's fix that today by learning how to build strong, healthy shoulders the right way. First, it's important to understand that your shoulder joint is incredibly mobile. It can move in almost every direction, which is fantastic. But this mobility also makes it one of the most delicate joints in your body. It's not like your hips or knees. It's a complex ball and socket joint held together by a group of muscles and tendons called the rotator cuff. Treating it with respect from day one is the key to long-term success and avoiding injury. So, how do we do that? It all starts with a proper warm-up. Never ever skip your warm-up, especially on shoulder day. Forget about static stretching for now. We want to increase blood flow and prepare the muscles for movement. Start with some gentle arm circles, both forward and backward. Do about 10 to 15 rotations in each direction. Follow that with some arm swings across your chest. This dynamic movement gets the shoulder joint lubricated and ready for action. 5 minutes of light, dynamic stretching is all you need to make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the exercises themselves. For beginners, the golden rule is to start light. I mean really light. Leave your ego at the door. Grab a pair of 1 or 2 kilogram dumbbells, or even just use your body weight. The goal here is to master the form, not to lift the heaviest weight in the gym. A great starting exercise is the dumbbell shoulder press, but with a slight modification for safety. Instead of flaring your elbows out to the sides at a 90-degree angle, bring them slightly forward to about a 45-degree angle. This is called the scapular plane, and it's a much more natural and safer position for your shoulder joint. Press the weights overhead until your arms are straight but not locked, then slowly lower them back down. Control is everything. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next up, lateral raises. This movement targets the middle part of your shoulder, which helps create that wider, stronger look. Standing with a very light dumbbell in each hand, keep a slight bend in your elbows. Raise your arms out to the sides, leading with your elbows until they are parallel to the floor. Imagine you're pouring 2 jugs of water, but only lift 2 shoulder height no higher. Going too high can put unnecessary stress on the joint. Again, control the movement on the way down. 3 sets of 12 reps with perfect form is far better than sloppy reps with a heavier weight. Finally, let's not forget the back of the shoulders. Bent over reverse flies are perfect for this. Hinge at your hips with a flat back, letting the dumbbells hang down. With a slight bend in your elbows, squeeze your shoulder blades together and raise your arms out to the sides, like you're trying to fly. This strengthens the rear deltoids, which are crucial for posture and overall shoulder stability. 3 sets of 12 reps will do the trick. Once your workout is done, what you do next is just as important. Recovery is when your muscles actually grow and get stronger. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and eating nutritious food. And please, give your shoulders a rest. Don't train them every day. For a beginner, working your shoulders once or twice a week with at least 48 hours of rest in between is plenty. Your body needs that time to repair and rebuild. Remember, building a strong and resilient body is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself. Focus on perfect form and listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. It's better to take an extra rest day than to push through pain and risk an injury that could set you back for weeks or even months. You've got this. Start slow, stay consistent, and you'll build incredible strength safely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips.